Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to manage the ambient light on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. Choose here settings. This is the standard view of the settings, and here you can select lights, the third option. From the following view, all you need to do is select here the ambient light. As you can see here, you can change a few things. You can change the color, and as you can see, you can use monochrome. This is the palette of colors that you can use. You can select here the multicolor if you would like to. In my case, I really like this ocean blue, so let me keep it that way. Once more, you can change the brightness. You can unlink zones to select different brightness of different lights. As you can see, for example, on your vents light, you can check here what is changing, or you can link zones to have the exact brightness in all the zones. You can also go back and use the effects. You've got the greeting effect. The ambient light welcomes you with a special color animation as you get into the vehicle. You can use the climate, so changes to the temperature settings are visualized by the ambient light. You can also select the multicolor animation, so ambient light creates animated color changes within the selected color scheme. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.